Hey guys, and welcome to my wife's office. As many of you, we also have been working from home, and so I could have used my studio to record this video, but after spending last couple of days in there, I felt like I needed a change. But let's get back to the topic of this video. Today, I want to talk about the 2018 GoPro flagship, the Hero 7 Black. I want to tell you why I think this little camera is the best bang for buck action camera of these days, why it still makes sense to buy it in 2020, and why you should consider it when traveling light and on budget. So let's roll the intro and get to it. I have some experience using different GoPros as travel cameras. In 2014, we used GoPro 3 to capture a dramatic volcano climb in Indonesia. The footage was good enough, but lack of stabilization made some of the clips too shaky. Then in 2018, I brought my GoPro 5 with a third-party gimbal on a trip to Sicily. The combination worked great, and the footage looked pretty smooth, but the camera recorded the noise that the gimbal's little motors produced, and also it was yet another device that needed to be charged and carried around. Also, you could not take it underwater, and when turned off, it just dangled around and looked like there's something wrong with it. All I wanted was a good digital stabilization, and GoPro has given it to me with release of the number 7. Shortly after its purchase, we went on our honeymoon and used it for 2 weeks, traveling around Seychelles. I don't want to bore you with detailed specs, so let's mention the key innovations. The one that made me buy GoPro 7 is the hyper-smooth stabilization. This allowed me to have freedom in having just this little camera on a floating stick, take a shot, put it in my pocket or backpack, take it underwater or record while cycling. It was just great experience, especially when we used the other new features, time warp time-lapse mode and super photo. And I didn't even change any settings and just used the camera as it came from factory. Yes, I could have shot in 4K and have a flat color profile, but then I wouldn't be able to say that even with factory settings, the picture is still very good, stabilized, and all of that works even underwater. I didn't use any underwater filters. What you see is what the camera captured. And that should be enough to answer the question of the day. Should you buy GoPro Hero 7 Black in 2020? That depends. Are you on budget? Then the answer is yes. You can still buy it new for less than the GoPro 8, and on used market it's an absolute bargain comparing the features you will get. Especially if you don't need all the vlogging accessories that came with GoPro 8. And if you watch this video all the way here, give a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out my channel for more reviews and travel videos. Have a nice day, and I will see you with the next one.